guys, today welcome back to my video. Today we're going to play tocaboca. So at tocaboca we're going to find we're gonna explore the real world. I'm the one who like create them all. I'm just gonna get down from above the head. There. Okay, guys. Alright. Oh, wait. Okay. What's this? There, you can take away that. Let's just get out of here. Okay, let's go. Alright, today we're going to explore everything to see if there are schools or nothing about that, so I want to see everything. Guys, give me 28 subs to make a roleplay from here, guys. Aha, the home place I just made up. I already know them all, because you guys already know it. Let's go here. What is happening? Let's go take a look. This will take Florida anyway. Ooh. Is this the photograph shop? Jeez. Oh yeah, moving. Yay! Okay, let's get out of here. This is cool. Next. I think this is a moving house place that when you move in, you're going somewhere to move in. Let's go to the mall. Let's see what happens there. Alright, let's go start and wait. Here in the mall. Ooh, a lot of floors. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're going to down floor. Okay. Let's see what else on the down floor. Okay, let's see. Ooh, there's something. Hey, there's me. Okay, let's see. That's a cool place. Is that let's go to somewhere else. Let's go to top floor. please. Top floor. Top floor, top floor, top floor, top floor, top floor, top floor. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're at top floor. This looks like a beautiful place. Okay, that's the bathroom of Poopy. Oh! That's so funny. That's completely funny. I want to do it again. Okay, let's just get out of here. This is so funny. You can poop. Okay, that's so funny. Okay, next. Ooh, sorry about that. Okay, we're here. This looks like a place where you... That's so funny, you can make it poop. This the bank? Mamma mia. Okay. Okay, that was so funny that they make fart sounds. Okay, let's see. My. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go check the new place. Let's make it 27 likes. Let's make 27 likes so that we can make a fart sound video. And even guys, please comment down below to make a character right here on this thing. Character to create, guys. I already create mine, guys, so you can create your own character. So guys, please create your own character right here. This is the place where you create your character. So let's get out of here. Oh, this is taking forever. Okay. Oh yeah. The photograph place. Okay, let's get out the field and go back to our home. Get out the booty here. Look at that face. Okay, that's the hospital. We should find if there's a school here. Any school? What is that? Is that school? Let's go check if that's a school. Guys, today, give me a part 2 to make a school of Tocaboca life. So, how did I unlock everything, guys? Thanks to Happy Mod. Please check down below. So this is college, the school place. to here. I know. Okay. I'm confused now. Let's get out of here. I think this is a school. Okay. Okay, let's explore more places to go. Is that an airport? Let's take a look, guys, if that's an airport. Did you go to other country? Let's take a look. Ooh, it is an airport. I was right. Is that the airplane? Okay. Are you going to? I'm out. This is kind of cool if I found an airport, guys. So let's make a role play. Maybe later. Maybe later. That was cool. Let's go check in that place. Okay. Let's go here. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Okay, put it. Okay. How come it's already raining? Maybe it's my phone. Let's check the other side. The next one. Top one. Top one. Okay. Oh, let's see. There's painting. Perfect. Bro. Never mind, let's go to number 2. Number 2, please. Fabulous. Fabulous. Let's go to milk, egg, turn into that. This will take like a while. Oh wait, there it is. Okay, let's see. Oh, battery. The school place we're in? Let's make a big one. Number 3, hop floor. Okay, let's. Ooh, basketball. Nobody wants to see. There we go. Okay, they're trying to press it. Press it. Fine. Now play with your guns. Bye-bye. Let's get out of here this tiny little voodoo. Okay, guys, so we see everything about it. There's fart sounds, toots on the toilet. That's so funny. What's this? Sea life. Oh yeah, the zoo of the sea that we're going to take a look. Let's see, guys. We're gonna see. Alright, me and you. Okay, let's see. Hello. I'm out. I don't know where to go. Who is that? It's kind of a boring thing. Bye. Bye. My name. Boring. Boring. Check out in here. Tact full house. That's so cool. Okay. Let's go. What's this? Oh, the judgment. We judge here, and this is the people we're living. It's kind of making me getting really weird now. I'll just get out of here. That was so cool, guys. Let's just go back to another thing now. Actually, I really want to go here with the map. I want to go here. Okay, let's go in. Yeah, let's go in here. Yeah. Okay, macaroni cheese turn into this. That's completely macarons. Wow. going to top floor. Luma. Let's try some rides. Okay. That ride was cool. Let's try other rides. Now you're going to have some rides. That was a cool ride. Oh, look, what's this? Oh yeah, we need to be more tolerant. You need to be more tolerant to go up here. Okay, taller and take off your hat. Let's see. Taller enough. That was such a cool ride. Okay, I want to get out of here now. That was such a cool ride. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching my video. See you guys next time. Goodbye. Bye bye guys. Hope you see you soon.